Are you trying to figure out which is more scalable between Spocket and Dropified? Well, in today's video, we're diving deep into both of these dropshipping tools to see which one is truly more scalable for your business needs. First, let's get straight into the features. Spocket is often praised for its ease of use and focus on high-quality suppliers, particularly in the US and EU. This allows for faster shipping times, which is a huge advantage when it comes to scaling a business. On the other hand, Dropified provides a much broader range of suppliers, even extending to countries like China, which gives you access to cheaper products. But this might also mean longer shipping times, something to consider when you're aiming for scale. Next, let's talk integrations. Spocket integrates seamlessly with Shopify, WooCommerce, and other major platforms, making it super easy to connect and start selling. But Dropified offers integrations with a larger array of e-commerce platforms, including BigCommerce and Wix, which can be crucial for scalability if you plan to branch out to different platforms over time. Now, the third thing to consider is automation. Spocket offers some automated features, like order processing and inventory syncing, but it's a bit limited when it comes to deeper automation that would be needed for a rapidly growing business. Dropified, on the other hand, takes automation to the next level with tools like auto-order fulfillment, product pricing updates, and even automatic tracking updates for customers. If you're looking to scale fast, automation is essential, and Dropified does a better job in that department. Another point to bring up is pricing. Spocket's plans are based on the number of products you want to sell and can get expensive quickly if you scale up your product catalog. Dropified's pricing, though, is a flat fee, which could work out cheaper if you plan on offering a large number of products. However, that flat fee can be a barrier for smaller businesses that don't want to invest too much upfront. And then we get to customer support. Both platforms provide decent support, but with Dropified, you're getting access to a dedicated account manager for higher tier plans, which could make a difference when scaling your business. Spocket has good support too, but it's more generalized and doesn't have the same level of one-on-one attention for larger operations. Next thing, shipping rates and delivery times. Spocket shines here for domestic shipments. They're partnered with US and EU suppliers, which means shorter shipping times, a huge advantage when you're scaling to ensure customer satisfaction. Dropified has suppliers in China, and while they offer more competitive pricing, shipping times can be a challenge, especially if you're targeting US customers who expect faster delivery. Then there's the overall user experience. Both platforms are relatively easy to use, but Spocket's user interface is sleek, intuitive, and designed to get you up and running fast. Dropified, while powerful, can feel a little more complex, especially for beginners. The learning curve is steeper, but if you're serious about scaling, you might appreciate the depth of tools available in Dropified. So, what's the verdict on Spocket versus Dropified for scalability? Well, both have their pros and cons, and they're great tools depending on your specific needs. But after trying both myself, I believe that if you're looking to scale quickly with advanced automation, a wide range of suppliers, and robust integrations, Dropified might be the better option for you. Now, both of these softwares are good, but if you're aiming for something truly scalable, there's an even better alternative out there that I've found. If you want to test it out, take advantage of the free trial linked in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. So, if you want the edge in scaling your dropshipping business, click the first link in the description now to get started.